Welcome to the Philosopher's Talk Show. I'm your host, John Park, and today we will interview Charles Darwin, focusing on his idea of natural selection. Hello, Charles Darwin.
Glad to be here, John.
Now, most of the greatest ideas of the world are created to solve a widespread problem. What problem motivated you to form your ideas?
I formulated my ideas to tackle the mystery of the existence of species. Back then, the prevalent explanation for the diversity of life was literal interpretation of the Earth's creation, as described by the Bible.
Did the scientists of your day agree with this interpretation?
Yes, most established natural scientists of my day did agree that God created each individual species, and that these species had stayed fixed. However, no natural scientist during or before my time was able to scientifically explain this phenomenon, so the problem still remained a mystery of mysteries. In order to unravel this mystery, I began a journey on the ship HMS Beagle to investigate geology and collect data on the different species throughout the world. Of the regions of the world, the Galapagos Islands had the most influence on my ideas.
What kind of things did you witness on the Galapagos Islands?
One thing I noticed was the Galapagos finch, which was actually comprised of 12 separate species of finches. Though very similar to each other, the beak size and shape of each finch species were adapted to its unique environment. From this, I concluded that the different species of finches were initially uniform, but evolved differently to survive in their respective environments.
What did you conclude from the data you collected in your journey on the Beagle?
I concluded that all living things were descended from a common ancestor. I formulated the idea of natural selection to explain this conclusion. According to natural selection, individuals of a species with favorable traits are likelier to survive and will pass on their genes to their offspring. In contrast, individuals with unfavorable traits will most likely be eliminated from the competition, and these traits will not be passed on. Over time, favorable traits will be accumulated in the gene pool, and the species will be more adapted to its environment.